Welcome to the channel. Today, we're mastering the pronunciation of a complex medical term, pachymeningitis. It might look tricky at first, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll be pronouncing it with confidence. Let's break it down step by step. The correct pronunciation is pachymeningitis. First, we have pack, which sounds just like pack in backpack. Then, e, which sounds like the e in C. Next is men, which sounds like the men in mental. After that, in, where it sounds like in pin. Then comes jy, which rhymes with high. Finally, we have tis, where tis sounds like this without the t. Let's put it all together slowly. Pachymeningitis. Now repeat after me. Pachymeningitis. A little faster. Pachymeningitis. And at full speed. Pachymeningitis. Keep practicing, and soon it will roll off your tongue. Now that you've nailed the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Pachymeningitis is the inflammation of the pachymeninges, which are the outer layers of the membranes surrounding the brain and spinal cord. This condition can be caused by infections, autoimmune diseases, or other factors leading to symptoms like headaches, fever, and neurological problems. That's it. Now you know how to pronounce pachymeningitis and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like, share it with others, and comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next. Don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.